Hey guys, we're going to be working on this Audi S5 Sportback. It's one of our clients. He just bought a set of Vossen HF2s. Tyler here is going to be checking in the car. He's got the wheels already mounted and balanced and ready to be installed on the car.
Look at this fool. Always taking pictures. Come on, bro. How many pics you gonna get?
As much as I need.
What do we got going on, bro?
We are remounting this camera on this Tesla Model 3 due to remove and add ceramic in there. Easy peasy.
The car, another set of pictures. Ain't that right?
Hey guys, I got a gift from one of our customer, Bo. He's out in Dallas area and he sent us some gifts. We're gonna check it out, see what he sent us. Great guy, bought some wheels from us. Bo does know I'm a whiskey drinker though, so I think that's a hint right there. It's nicely packaged. Nothing is gonna break this. Look at this. One of the most sought after whiskeys on the market, Hibiki 21 limited edition, Cacho edition. And even packaged it in here. This is some good stuff. This is what Beyonce should be singing about, not the Yamazaki 18. Wow, this is good packaging. You absolutely cannot buy this at any of the stores right now. Check this out. Thanks for the gift. I'm here to pick up a customer's car. We love our customers. They trust us with their most valuable items. Check out this driving simulator. Belongs to one of our customers. It is the baddest car simulator out there. CXC simulations, real carbon fiber, real race seats, real steering wheels. Goes along with the simulator. Does air simulations as well. Seats move via hydraulics. Surround sound. Check out the steering column. I mean, this is not a video game. This is a real simulator. Little shifter. Hydraulics in the pedals. Deal. What we're playing with today. This is Doug. He's picking up the SV for us. We only trust him with our cars. Specialty Towing. Doug's the owner and operator. Doug's the only one we trust with our high-end exotics. Doug's towed $1 million cars for us. We're picking up this SV that we've worked on and we are sending it to the dealer for routine maintenance.
What we got?
This is batteries right here. How do you charge this? How do you give me battery? Are you gonna give me rechargeable batteries and not give me a way to charge this?
They recharge on life.
Which I am lacking.
Damn.
Yo, that's a cool candle. It's like silver.
Make a wish and everybody gets
Oh, we're not saying.
We have a couple cool projects in the shop today, and I figured I might as well show you a couple of them. The first car we've actually got sitting in the back because we shipped the ECU out, and so we're waiting for it to come back, is this F430 Spider. So on this car, we're doing a 6 set of ADV1 wheels. We just did these Novitec carbon fiber vents on the back of the car, and then look at this rear diffuser, this carbon fiber Novitec rear diffuser. Some of the best carbon fiber I've ever seen. Go along with all the cosmetic stuff that's either on the car or that's going to be on the car, like the wheels, we're putting a full exhaust system on this car. So what that means is we've got FI headers that we're gonna be putting on, And then we've also got a Novitec catback to complement those headers. This thing is gonna sound and look insane. All right, we've got one more cool car up in the front that we're working on. Let's go check it out. Porsche GT3. We're actually doing something kind of cool on this car. The customer wanted to put a roll cage in, but he wanted to make it a little bit more special. So if you look, the brakes are carbon ceramic yellow. And so we got him a yellow roll cage to complement his brakes.
I'll tear them down. Yeah. I'll tear them down. Yeah.
All right, we are back at it again. I love getting gifts from my clients. Let's see what we have this time. I guess we're doing something right. My clients know I am a big whiskey, bourbon, scotch drinker. It's an alternative way of paying me, I guess. Looks like we have Macallan 18 in here. Oh, he gave me some samples of stuff. 18. Very nice. Two bottles of 18. Awesome. Thank you for this. This is coming from Mark. Thank you, Mark. Yes.
Where Jimmy's at, I gotta look for Jimmy, so let's go find him. Jimmy? 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 Where's Jimmy?
I don't know.
I just want to show you, I brought you the carbon fiber piece.
Oh, okay.
Paul's crying about something. You might need to take care of him.
All right, so the Porsche is done. I don't know if you remember from earlier, but the roll cage matches the carbon ceramic brakes, which is pretty dope. Just, I mean, look at this cage. What do you think of the roll cage, Haywood? Haywood, what do you think of the roll cage?
It's yellow like me.
So one thing with the fit of this roll cage though is we actually had to cut out the carpet. That way it would fit properly or else it wouldn't be able to bolt up. But other than that, God, this thing just looks so good. You see that? Now look at that. Now you see that? Now look at that.
All right, what we doing today? What we doing today?
You see? I'm using the center to white.
Oh, because it's black right now.
To white.
That's pretty cool, so it matches.
Awesome.
Carbon fiber diffuser, very cool.
After.
Before, after, before, after. Looks like a freaking alien spaceship. Got the weaving. Super important to always look at the weaving.
That's what you call quality.
It's MPerformance, of course it's quality. It's OEM. It should be. If it's not, something's wrong. Things to look at when you're buying carbon fiber or inspecting carbon fiber. One is the weaving. So like these little lines, you want them to be straight. Pretty good. They're straight lines. So it's very clean looking when it's straight. That's how it should always be. Second thing you want to look at is fitment. Fitment of the whole piece on the actual car. But of course it's a little bit harder to do because you need to, put it on the car.
Best way to peel 3M tape.
Don't show me your secrets, man. I can't.
Like that. Easy peasy. I'm gonna tell you, you gotta remove the bumper. It's gonna take about 2.5, 3 hours. For what? That right there?
It goes over or does it remove it?
Remove.
Oh, okay.
Pop. But this gotta come out too.
Yeah, I don't know why they did that.
Yeah.
It's so weird. It's like they decided to cheap out or something, but I don't know. Maybe.
Because they had the chrome grill. And this how they makes money. See? That's it. Four. See little things like
this makes a difference. That's why dealership or whatever does that shit so they can take money.
New badge up top. These are the old badges down here. As you can tell, looks a lot nicer going black. So what are you doing? You're taping it up? Oh, making a line?
Before I start cleaning it.
That's it. Cool. Oh. Man, oh yeah, fitment, man. That's really good. Outside shot. The car is finally done now. Here's what the parts look like outside. So yeah, it looks a lot better with the white. We got the blacked out badge. Really cool. And then of course the carbon fiber diffuser. Love the fitment. Look at that. Just sits super flush against the OEM panel. Coming to visit me. You see that? See how he just... Oh, what is he bringing? What you got there? What you got there, Jim? Oh, you fixed it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Wow. What? Oh my god.